Hello guys, my name is Mohsen. So for today, for the Jina hackathon pitch, my project name is Fast Forward Live. And imagine that, like how many number of times have you tried to research a topic and you end up like reading the same piece of information over and over, or maybe like listening to the same piece of podcast or watching a video and coming across the same information. So my project is basically, my motivation is that uh, this kind of redundant information, like how it can be avoided, so that we can save time and we can go through or consume media faster. So the basic idea is that all the information that we consume digitally, let it be podcasts, YouTube videos, or reading blogs, or so on, it gets indexed. And the next time we consume a new data, we sort of do like a reverse search and identify what information can be skipped and so on, so that you only see the most important things. About me, a bit like I'm a data scientist. I'm currently based in Kuala Lumpur. I'm mostly work in computer vision and unsupervised machine learning. So let me maybe go to a demo and let's see what it's all about. So let me give an actual example. So let's say I'm researching on computer vision and so on, and one of the first papers that I would typically read would be like a famous one would be the paper on Linnet, and it talks about this new kind of convolutional neural network, which was a pretty big hit back in, I don't know, 95. I don't exactly remember the year. I think I have it here somewhere. Yeah, it's in 98. Okay, and let's take one actual example. So each of these sentences or chunks are pieces of information that I'm consuming and sort of remembering, right? So one of the information would be a convolutional neural network is a deep network which works very well on visual data. So I have already learned this, or I have already come across this. Now let's say that I have consumed this piece of blog or article or something, and later in time, some other time, I'm trying to understand more about this topic, and I reading more and more papers. So if you look here, this is the ImageNet paper. It's abstract from the ImageNet paper, which came out in 2012. And you could see that this information is sort of repeated, like the information about what exactly is a convolutional neural network, or another example would be like what exactly is the MNIST dataset and things like that. So my idea is that like as we consume this gets indexed. So this is sort of like an extension of our own memory that's being stored inside a repo. And the next time I'm going to read a new paper or watch a new video, it basically runs through each chunk of information and lets me know that like I'm going to hide this piece of information here because it's not very, it's something that I have already seen. That's the basic idea. I sort of cherry picked an example here, like catering to the crowd here. And let me quickly give a demo on what exactly it's being done. I have my Jina server running. Okay. Oops, okay. So you can see that maybe it's hard to see, but please. I have added more information in the repository. So I tried to basically search for this text here that is in deep learning something. So my basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to see that have I seen this before. That's what my system is trying to do, and it looks like one of the results is a paper that I have read in the past. So the app would know that, and the app would try to not show me this piece of information or hide the information, or depending on some settings. That's basically it. I was actually planning to add a demo app surrounding it. I couldn't fully finish it, but it's a work in progress, and I'm definitely planning to build it through. Thank you guys. Thank you for organizing this hackathon. Bye.